Hello guys, I am from Gaugras Maths Hub. I am going to discuss question number 1 that has been taken from exercise 5.1, chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. That question is, prove that the function f of x equal to 5x minus 3 is continuous at x equal to minus 3. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Here I shall write solution. Solution. It is given that f of x equal to 5x minus 3. To prove function is CTS at x equal to minus 3. It is given that f of x equal to 5x minus 3. This is the function. To prove function is CTS at x equal to minus 3. You know the concept related to this one. Concept here I shall write concept. F of x is CTS at x equal to a when f of a equal to left hand limit x tends a negative, f of x equal to right hand limit x tends a positive, f of x. Concept is f of x is CTS at x equal to a when f of a equal to left hand limit x tends a negative, f of x equal to right hand limit x tends a positive, f of x. If this is the case, when that function will be continuous or CTS at a point that is given. So here it is given x equal to minus 3. Here I shall write at x equal to minus 3. F of x equal to 5x minus 3. Then imply that f of minus 3 will be 5 multiplied to minus 3. Minus 3 I shall write. It will become implied that f of minus 3 comes out to be 5 will multiply to minus 3 comes out to here minus 15. Minus 3 I shall write. It will become implied that f of minus 3 comes out to be minus 15 minus 3 comes out to here minus 18. F of minus 3 comes out to be minus 18. Now think again. At x equal to minus 3, I shall try to get left hand limit. Left hand limit x tends minus 3 negative f of x. Here I shall elaborate the things. X tend to minus 3 negative. So here write x tends minus 3 negative. It can be written as implied that x tends minus 3. This minus will go in center. So here write minus, and here I shall write h. H that is constant here. Implied that put x equal to minus 3. So here write minus 3 tends to minus 3 minus h. Here minus h is there in right hand side. That will be moved back to left hand side. So here it will become h. Tend to minus 3. Here minus 3 is there in left hand side. That will move back to right hand side. So here it will become minus 3 plus 3 comes out to here 0. Minus 3 and plus 3 comes out to here 0. When x equal to minus 3 minus h. Here in the function, in place of x, I shall write minus 3 minus 8. Then this limit will change to h tends 0. So here I shall write lim h tends 0, it will become, then f of, in place of x, I shall write minus 3 minus h will be written. It will become equal to lim h tends 0, and here you can see this function, you can see here 5x minus 3. So in place of x here I shall write minus 3 minus h. So here it will become, open here curly bracket, here write 5. This 5 will be reflected here. In place of x, minus 3 minus h will be written. So here write minus 3 minus h. Here minus 3 is there, right here minus 3. Comes out to be, here write lim h tends 0. Open here curly bracket. 5 will get entered inside, bracket will be broken. It will become minus 3 will multiply to 5, comes out to here minus 15. Minus 5 will multiply to h, comes out to here minus 5h. Here write minus 3. Comes out to be lim h tends 0. Minus 5h. Minus 5h I have written here. Minus 15 minus 3 comes out to here minus 18. Equal to put the value of h equal to 0 here. Lim h tends 0 will be removed. So here it will become minus 5 multiplied to 0 minus 18. comes out to here minus 18. So here left hand limit you have got minus 18, and now I shall verify here right hand limit. This is left hand limit. Left hand limit. This one is left hand limit. Here I shall write right hand limit. Add x equal to minus 3. Right hand limit comes out to be lim as x tends minus 3 of positive f of x equal to implied that I shall write here. I shall explain x tends minus 3 of positive. So here write x tends minus 3 of positive comes out to be implied that x tends minus 3 and this plus will move back to in center. So here write plus, here write h. Put x equal to minus 3. So here I shall write x equal to minus 3 tend to minus 3 plus h. Here I shall write put x equal to minus 3. So here you will get h tends 0. Since minus 3 is there in right hand side, this minus 3 is there in left hand side. This minus 3 will move back to right hand side. So here it will become minus 3 plus 3 comes out to here 0. The 8 and 0 it will come. When x equal to minus 3 plus h. When x equal to minus 3 plus h, then at 10 0 it will become. So here I shall write RHL equal to lim x tends minus 3 of positive f of x comes out to be lim h tends 0 f of minus 3 plus h I shall write comes out to be, here you can see f of x equal to plus 5x minus 3. So here write lim h tends 0 and in place of x here and here also I shall write minus 3 plus h. So here I shall open here curly bracket and write here 5. In small bracket comes out to be minus 3 plus h. Curly bracket close, you will get here minus 3. Now solve this one. Here you will get lim h tends 0 and 5 will get enter inside, bracket will be broken. 5 will multiply to minus 3. So here you will get minus 15 plus 5 will multiply to h. So here you will get plus 5h equal to, and minus 3 I shall write here, minus 3 is also there. Write here minus 3. It will become Here you can see lim h and 0 will be removed. Then here you put h equal to 0. So here I shall write minus 15 plus 5 into, in place of h I shall write here 0 minus 3. Comes out to here minus 15 plus 0 minus 3. Comes out to here minus 18. Left hand limit we have got minus 18. Left hand limit we have got minus 18, and f of minus 3 we have got here minus 18. This one f of minus 3 minus 18. Left hand limit at x equal to minus 3 we have got minus 18. Right hand limit at x equal to minus 3 we have got here minus 18. So here I can write, since f of minus 3 equal to left hand limit equal to right hand limit. Therefore, f of x is continuous at x equal to minus 3. This is the proper explanation and solution of question number 1, exercise 5.1, chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. Okay guys, thanks.